I guarantee if you watch this video and follow all the steps, you will make at least $1,000 with Amazon FBA. Now that might seem impossible, but in the next few minutes, I'll share with you how over 100,000 everyday people just like you and me, have been able to make at least $1,000 on Amazon, 100% guaranteed. And a lot of those people have made a lot more than just $1,000. And these Amazon sellers have been able to do this by only working a few hours a week without having much, if any, startup capital and without having any previous experience. And the way that they were able to do this is because you can make passive income by selling products on Amazon FBA. And this is because Amazon has over 310 million customers worldwide, and they give third-party sellers, that's people like you and me, access to their giant $2 trillion website, and we're able to sell our products on this website. And Amazon makes up 50% of all e-commerce sales that happen here in the United States. And if you don't know me, my name is Travis. I've done over $10 million in sales online. Most of that was on Amazon. And in this video, I'm going to show you a little trick that you can use that will guarantee you'll make at least $1,000 profit in your first year. Obviously, my goal for you is to make a lot more than that. My goal for you is that by watching this video, you'll be able to create a six-figure passive income business. That was my goal when I first quit my corporate job over 10 years ago. I had a corporate job I hated. I quit cold turkey with the goal of making six figures in passive income. And I spent years and years struggling, trying to figure out how to make money online. That was until I found the secret that I'm going to share with you in this video. In fact, there's actually an updated secret. There's actually a new way of selling on Amazon. I'll be talking about something that works in 2025 that is really sexy. I highly recommend it. But before I share that with you, I do have a huge announcement. I want to let you know that I just opened up 50 spots, only 50 spots for my Amazon FBA training program. And I have an Amazon FBA training program where I take you through it and I show people just like you how to create an Amazon business step by step in much more detail than I talk about here on YouTube. Now, I just opened up registration for this program today. There's a link down in the bio. As I mentioned, there's only 50 spots available and I'll be closing registration next week on Tuesday, no matter what. But the cool thing about this Amazon program is it has a double your money back guarantee, meaning when you join the program, if you don't make at least $1,000 in profit in your first year, I will refund you all the money of the program and give you $1,000 out of my own pocket. So the quick answer on how to guarantee that you make at least $1,000 by selling on Amazon is join my program. And no matter what, if you follow the steps and you launch a product, you're gonna make $1,000. Again, registration will close when we hit 50 signups or next Tuesday at midnight, whichever one comes first. Click on the link down below in the description to get more information about that. But let me share with you why Amazon is such a huge opportunity and how you can guarantee to make at least $1,000. Even if you don't join my program, in this video, I'm gonna talk about some ways that you can guarantee that you're gonna make money with Amazon. And like I mentioned, over $1 trillion was spent last year just in the United States on e-commerce. I think it was around $6 trillion total in the world. And something that's crazy about that is in the United States, 56% of all people, all customers, start searching for products that they want to buy on Amazon.com. So if you want to make money online, you should probably sell products where people are buying products, which is Amazon. That's pretty obvious. It seems like everybody has a Prime subscription right now. In fact, in the United States alone, over 100 million people have a Prime subscription. I think it's around 160 or 170 million people have a Prime subscription. Now let me show you how I found a new product idea, a product that's guaranteed to be making at least $1,000 in profit. And you can follow the same steps that I'm going to show you here to find your own $1,000 plus profit product. And first thing I recommend is signing up for a product research tool. The one that I recommend is called Helium 10. I have the hookup with Helium 10. There's a link down below in the description. You can click on that link, sign up for a free account, or if you want to upgrade to the premium membership, I have a coupon code in that link that'll get you a huge discount. So sign up for Helium 10. And I talk about this tool all the time on the channel, but just in case you're new, let me explain the way that this tool works. And this tool does a lot of different things, but my favorite tool within Helium 10 is called the magnet tool. And this will show you exactly what people are searching for on Amazon. And it'll show you how many people per month are searching for different things. I use this tool to find one of my recent products, Carnivore Electrolytes. This product in just 6 months has done over $100,000 in sales. Now it's doing around $30,000 in revenue, around $14,000 in profit every month. And I found this product by using this magnet tool. Let me show you how to use this tool. You're gonna go to Tools, then we're gonna click on Magnet, and we're gonna type in here Carnivore. And the reason I'm typing in Carnivore is because I wanna see if there's other products related to the carnivore diet that I can create and sell on Amazon. And so let's see if there's some other products related to the carnivore diet, which is a trend that's taking off, that I can sell. So we're gonna click on Get Keywords. And we can see that over 4,000 people per month are searching exactly for carnivore. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on Magnet IQ score, and we're also gonna come down here. I like to change this to 150. And we're gonna go through all of these suggestions and see if we can find a good product to sell, because this is showing what people are searching. For instance, we can see that over 700,000 people are searching for protein powder, but we don't wanna sell a protein powder because look at how much competition there is. There's so much competition. Now, could we maybe sell a carnivore related protein powder? Maybe, that might be something that's interesting. And boom, right here on page 7, I found carnivore beef jerky. And this product is being searched for on Amazon 406 times per month. And the cool thing is when we go to Amazon, we type in carnivore beef jerky. None of these products are really marketed towards the carnivore diet. This one's marketed towards the keto diet. This one is actually marketed towards the carnivore diet, but it's got a 3.5-star rating. It's a little bit overpriced. So we're gonna see if we can make a better product than this. These other ones are more just like keto friendly type things. But even this one that's marketed towards the carnivore diet, like it's not obvious to me by looking at it that it's like for carnivore. Compare that with my product, Carnivore Electrolytes, which is like very obvious, like it pops, it stands out, carnivore. So we're gonna do a similarly branded item for the carnivore jerky. Now, only 400 people per month are searching for this. This product is not gonna be making 6 figures probably, but I can probably guarantee it's gonna make at least $1,000 in profit. And that's the point of this video. And that's what I wanna show you is how easy it is to find products that'll make you at least $1,000 in profit. Now, that's not life-changing money. You're not gonna be able to retire and live on a beach sipping pina coladas for the rest of your life. But once you break that barrier, once you create $1,000 Amazon FBA business, then you can create a second one and a third one and then a fourth one. And before you know it, one of those businesses is gonna take off. It's gonna make 6 figures. And maybe it is your first business. Some people, their first Amazon business ever ends up making them 6 figures. Calvin, a young kid, he joined my Amazon FBA program. He found this product idea and in his first year did 400,000. Juliana, same thing. She joined my program, created this product, did over $100,000 in her first year. Brent, who I talk about on this channel all the time, did over $1 million last year alone selling this product. There's AJ, Andrew, Jeremy, Carla, like all these different people have done over 6 figures selling on Amazon. So even though this video is about how to guarantee that you make at least $1,000, what I'm telling you right now is the sky's the limit. Like I know a lot of 7-figure sellers. Mina is one of those. He joined my program. He's done over 7 figures on Amazon as well. I'll share what their #1 piece of advice is, as well as like some of my top pieces of advice if you want to guarantee success. And I've talked about this kind of stuff a lot on my channel. How do you guarantee success? And I want you to think about if you were your own mentor, if you were someone that you looked up to and you went to for advice, what advice would you give to yourself on how to guarantee success? Now, a lot of people think that selling on Amazon is very technical, that you need to know all these like details and all this kind of stuff. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not that hard. I have free content here on this YouTube channel. In fact, I just recently released a 10-hour free Amazon FBA course showing you everything you need to know. But it's not about technical knowledge. That's not what separates people that have success and don't have success. The #1 thing that I've seen that's the difference between people that make a ton of money on Amazon and people that never get started is the people that make a ton of money, they just go. They just get it done. They just take little baby steps. And that's my biggest piece of advice to you, is to start taking little baby steps and put your money where your mouth is. If you have this idea for a business, go pay for a prototype. Go invest in yourself, invest in your business in some way. And that's one of the big reasons why I do charge some money for my Amazon FBA program, the Passion Product Formula, that I just opened up today. And that's because I've seen over and over again, people that don't pay for things don't pay attention, they don't get things done. You need to get leverage on yourself. This is something that a mentor told to me. You, as a human, we're naturally lazy people. We don't want to work hard. We don't want to get things done. And it's hard creating a business. So you need to get leverage on yourself. What does that mean? That means that you need to learn how to convince yourself to do hard things. The difference between people that get things done and those that don't are the people that get things done learn and love doing hard things. Now, you need to make some kind of a commitment. That's a big thing that I've seen that separates wantrepreneurs from entrepreneurs. Wantrepreneurs are those people, we all know them, and hopefully you're not one of these people. We all know these people that have a business idea. They always talk about how much money they want to make, but they never do anything about it. Don't be that person. Entrepreneurs do something about it. They put their money where their mouth is. They start taking little baby steps every day. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I recommend, if you're on the fence, if you've been in this wantrepreneur stage, stop it. Go right now, click on the link in the description, sign up for my Amazon FBA program. Just open it up today. There's only going to be 50 spots available. And once I close down registration, I'm not opening this up again for at least a few months. So this is kind of your last chance to stop being a wantrepreneur and start being an entrepreneur. Now, I know it's risky. I know it's scary joining a program that's going to teach you how to make money. But to get rid of any kind of risk, I have a 14-day unconditional money-back guarantee. When you click the link down below, when you sign up, if for any reason in the next 14 days you change your mind, you don't love it, I will give you 100% of your money back, no questions asked. All you have to do is send me an email and I get you 100% of your money back. Now, my hope is that you stick past those 14 days, at which point I still have a double your money back guarantee. And I believe in this Amazon program so much that if you join, you follow all the steps, you launch a product and you don't make at least $1,000 in profit in your first year, I will personally refund you all the money of the program and give you $1,000 out of my own pocket. I've never had to do this for anyone. Every single person that's gone through the program, they've been able to have success. They've been able to make at least $1,000 profit, but I will. But if for some reason this program doesn't work for you, I honor that deal. And the reason I know this is going to work so well is because Amazon's a freaking huge opportunity right now. Guys, I was starting to get a little bit nervous. I thought maybe Amazon was dying. And then I launched Carnivore Electrolytes and boom, $30,000 in revenue every month. And I didn't even think this product was going to do that well. I literally just made this product so I could create tutorials here on YouTube showing you guys how to do it. And I thought it would get like 3 to 4 sales a day. It's getting like 30 to 40 sales a day. It's doing crazy numbers and it's proving to me that Amazon is not dead. I have a ton of friends that have been launching Amazon products. I've had a ton of students launching Amazon products. I've had over 2,000 students go through this program, so I know this program works. And the reason I know this program will work for you is because not only does it come with over 150 step-by-step screen recorded lessons, on top of that, it comes with a weekly Q&A call. It comes with a private Facebook / we're upgrading to a school group, which means that it's a community that you can talk to all the other students. It also comes with 2 free one-on-one sessions with either myself or a coach to shortcut your results. Like, we're going to speed up your results. This comes with so much. Look around and I guarantee you, when you look at other Amazon programs, they're charging $5,000 or $6,000 for the same thing that's in this program, and we're charging a fraction of that price. And I'm only really charging money because I want to guarantee that you'll have success. Like I said, I have a free 10-hour Amazon course, and not that many people actually end up following through and having success. The reason I charge money for this program is because, first off, we're going to be giving you a ton of value. I'm having to pay coaches. I'm having to pay for all kinds of different things in order to keep this program running. But also, I want you to put some money down to show me that you're serious, and then I will help you to have success. So that being said, if you want to be one of the 50 people that join this program, click on the link down below. Join before it's too late. I'm closing down registration when we hit 50 signups because I want to make sure that the group is small enough, because when you join, I want to make sure that we're able to give you as much support as possible. I'm also closing registration, as I mentioned, next Tuesday at midnight. And that's because I want to get you started as soon as possible launching your Amazon business. I don't want to keep it open for a month because I want to make sure that we close it and we get started. So 50 spots available, closes next Tuesday at midnight. So click on the link down below right here or in the description, and I will see you in my Amazon FBA training program. And this is the way to guarantee that you'll make at least $1,000 in profit with Amazon.